Right, hello everyone, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well. I just quickly want to drop this video for you for because of those people that are having problem about how to prompt. This is just mainly for prompting, so that you'll be able to prompt when you want to prompt. I'm going to be showing you some of the way that you will be using when you are prompted. So let me just show you this. Okay, so this thing you are seeing is my Facebook. Don't mind the information here. This is my Chatgpt. I will show you some prompting method here so that you can get information you are. What do I mean by prompting? Prompting is when you introduce a message into the Chatgpt to make Chatgpt do what you want to do. Now, in some of our video, the previous one, please, for anyone that just stumble into this video, please do note that this particular training is specifically made for some set of students I'm working with. So in case you might not really understand, so you tell ChatGPT to give you things, and I've told you in a faceless video there are different kind of niches, but there is one of the way that has been tested that we observe that it's working currently. It's when you tell ChatGPT to give you anything that is given you as a prompt in an episodic system. That is, the first one still require the second one to the third one to the fourth one. For example, now if I'm trying to make a script about a movie I want to do, please can you lower that for me? If you are trying to make a video that have to do with movie or a cartoon something, or possibly maybe you are telling a story about a rabbit, or you are telling about a key. It's one of the according to the research we have done, one of the prompting that work very well if you're asking ChatGPT to give you a story that have to do with racism. So look at what I write on the script. I'll tell, let me see, can you create yeah, 5-episode story for USA audience. Okay, let me twist it a bit. Let me twist it a bit. Say, can you create a 5-episode faceless story for US audience on YouTube channel. Let this story be. This is a very simple one. I'm not really, just a very simple information for you to know how easy is it for ChatGPT to do it. Let the story be let the story be about racism. Sorry for my typographic error. Let the story be about racism using a black boy as a subject. Yeah, because anything on this kind of story is always attractive to people now. 5 episodes, sorry, using a black boy episode. Now you tell, after you have, this is just a simple story I'm telling ChatGPT on what it's going to do. Now the next thing is that I will now specifically mention to ChatGPT about what I want that story to look like. That I said that let it be emotional, high, highly human, highly humanized. Please always state that humanizing situation there so that it will consider it being a human, not like a machine writing. You understand? So now that I have given this say to it, as ChatGPT, why you have a privilege with ChatGPT is that ChatGPT has questions to help you prompt. So I believe nobody's supposed to have problem when you are prompting with ChatGPT. ChatGPT don't give you problem. ChatGPT help you by asking questions. So ChatGPT, if I prompt it and I say you should go ahead, we are going to wait. So now ChatGPT is trying to give me the story. You see, it's putting out the story for me. Now, I hope you see it's first narrating, putting the story episodic for me before writing. You see, now this is what I talk about the question. Now he told me that would you now like me to write the full script. So if you check this thing and you see that there is no error, you love everything that he's trying to say. He showed me from episode 1 trying to tell me that the main character is going to be a Malik, and he's 14-year-old black boy in the US, a dreamer who loves drawing and basketball. Now the sensitive thought and awful but constantly testing by the harshly reality of racism. So when you now read all these plots, you see the tone he was using. Then immediately after getting this, now you now say, would you like me to write this script with narration lines, pause and emotion for each episode so you can directly record the faceless video? I just have to say yes. If you look at how ChatGPT used to work, you see it gives you everything, but mind you, all other like the Queen chat of Ali Baba will not give you in this manner, but it's very good. The only problem is that you must know how to prompt. Gemini is very good. You must just know Gemini is has a weakness. If your English, you tell Gemini to create something, we tell you it cannot create. So don't think that I say it cannot create. It's the English you are using. If you want a script, tell Gemini write a script. Don't tell Gemini create a story. We tell you I can't create a story, because what it meant by creating means that you want him to generate the story, put it in a book, and it will tell you I can't create. So you have to ask a question in a computer way, not in your own way you talk to your friend at home. But if it's ChatGPT understood everything and will be able to interpret it better, and we ask you question at the point where it doesn't know. Now he has given me the voiceover script and some other way. Now there is a secret I want to tell you here. There is a secret I want to tell you here. I gave you 11 laps to generate a script, right? But some of you find it difficult because 11 laps is going to take money from you. Now I have not taught you how to edit yet, but I've shown you editing software. But now I'm going to show you how to edit after this one. But if you want to be getting voiceover free, if you don't mind, although the other ones are good, it's just that 11 Live is a super good when it comes to this, and it's very super when it comes to it. So the next thing I will do is that I will come back here. If I want to get a voiceover that I don't want to pay for, I will come back here. Look at this thing. You ask this thing to read aloud and you will record it. I hope you understand now. Look at it now. If I ask it to read aloud, I click on it.
Perfect. Let's build the full 5-episode script for your faceless YouTube story, with narration that's emotional, poetic, and deeply humanized. Each script includes voiceover lines, emotional cues, and visual direction prompts, so you can produce the videos easily. Series, Shadows of Silence, The Journey of Malik. Episode 1, the cut voiceover script. Soft, reflective tone. At 14, Malik believed the world was fair.
if you
Until
look at the
one day in class, his art was called angry. Not creative, not powerful, angry. And when a classmate whispered a word too sharp to ignore, Malik's chest tightened. Sometimes skin speaks before words.
okay,
Visual prompts
if you
faceless.
see this
Pencil
thing,
tips
let me stop
snapping
it
in.
now. See, if you look at that voice, very good. Now, if you are not satisfied with the voice, you go here, you go here, or you use your, you go, okay, they have arranged it to this side, to the down here. Then when you open it, you come to setting, you come to, okay, you come to setting. And when you come to setting, you can change a lot of things there. See, this is the voice. You can change the voice here, so you can use one voice now and use another voice there, and every voice you record there is free. You understand? It's free. You can record it and use it if you don't want to be paying. You just play, use it there. You, when you pick a voice, play it when you select it. So if you want like two, you can test all the voice and select the one that you like and record it, and now use the voice for your voiceover. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. So I hope you really understand this thing I'm telling you. So this is the best way you can handle this situation, whereby you can change the voice here, test all the voice, and have your recording done, and without having any problem on it. So with this one now, if you use this method, you are going to eliminate anything that have to be like a using a kind of a voiceover or something. There is a recorder on your phone which you can use to record it. You just press the recorder on the phone. I'm not on phone, I'm on computer. You press the recorder on the phone and you press the play of this, so it will record all the sound for you and it will save it as mp3. So when you are now doing your editing, which is one of the things I want you to try, you are going to have the privilege of doing it. But let me first break this down. I think maybe one of the tutorial, I'm going to do this thing for you that you will understand. So now you see we have already gotten the prompt. So if I want to do the prompt now, based on this that he has given me, it give me visual. Now look at the next prompt I'm going to say. This one is a voice of the narrator. Some talks are about love, others about dream, but in Malik's home the talk was about survival. So the way this is being narrated, I will use a voiceover. The voiceover will quickly read it, and in less than 30 to 40 seconds it would have finished reading this. So when you want to do it, it's not going to be something you are going to pour like that. Like in the editing, we are going to cut it. Look at it. I may first say some talks are about love. I will put it, but there is a background music that make it, because it's a narration that is going. I will break it here. You can see my cursor here. I'll break it here, and when I break it here, I will allow a space of like 5 seconds. Others are about dream. I will break it and allow 5 seconds. Say, but in Malik's home, I will pause and break it for 3 seconds. The talk was about survival. I'll break it. His father sat him down. I will break. Told him how they keep this visible. So when I read this place, I will wait for a while. Then I will come to this side. In that place I told you, I may select another voice to explain this area, because they say soft emotional. But if not, you can use the same voice not to break the voice. Then I will now read this in and break it and break it and break it. So this is episode. Now if you do episode like this, you can put episode in YouTube shorts. There is what they call YouTube shorts, which is one of the when we are loading video, there is a long video, there is a short video. We can load it as a short. Short is any video that is not more than 1 minute, so you can use it as a short. But if your intention is to have all the video long and you want it long, look at what I'm going to do. I will take Chatgpt. Look at what I'm going to type in the prompt. The narration is okay, but it's too short. You understand? Can you make it longer so that the video, so that, let me put it this way, so that each episode can reach 5 minutes. You see, I'll just quickly put it like that. Even if there is an error, there is going to still mind it. It's going to mind it and do it. So it will rewrite the story for me with a bit longer now. If you look at the script now, each one is longer. So if I'm narrating now, I hope you can see he has made it longer and show me what he has done. He's going to do the same thing for every episode to make it longer. So with this one now, we have a longer script that's supposed to reach up to 4 minutes, if not up to 5 minutes, at least 4 minutes. Now that is how to prompt a video. Now after prompting, okay, I think he's still writing. We are going to wait for it to finish the writing. All right, now that now it has finished the video, so you see it now that this is how to write the script. Now what the next thing you are going to see, because now that we have the video, we need the prompting for video. So he asks us that, do you want me to format this into a ready to record script with a timestamp and pacing cues? No, we don't need it. We don't need it. We can ask for timestamp. What do you mean by timestamp? The time that each video comes. It's better we have the video for, then we later ask the timestamp. So with this one now, we're supposed to have up to 5-minute video. So now the next thing we are going to ask about is that you ask Chatgpt to set up a video for you, to set up a video prompt. We are going to give us a prompt for video, which we are going to use to generate video. So let me tell Chatgpt, let me say, please give me a prompt. Give me, okay, don't let me use call a prompt, let me call a prompt for each episode to generate both video and character images. So now this prompt is to get image, to get character and image prompt that we are the same. Any prompt he gives us, we are going to take it into the video or into the photo to generate the video. So this is what I'm going to do. Awesome. All right, this is now a working stuff. Now it has given us the video prompt, and this is the character prompt, this is the video prompt. Now for this video prompt, now for the character prompt, we are going to use Gemini. For the video prompt, we are going to use AI Google Studio. Google has gotten a studio now that people can use to generate. I think to some extent, I don't know. To some extent, I don't know how much it can prompt for free, but I know that it's prompting. So let me go to Google Studio. I'm going to prompt one for video. Then inside Gemini, I'm going to prompt another video. As an example, I'm not going to do more than that for now. So here is the Google's the prompt he gave us. The prompt is for video, say classroom close-up of a boy hand sketching the pencil, blah blah blah. So I will copy it now. Okay, let me go to this. This is my Google Studio. If you can see it, you see AI studio.google.com prompt. So and this is we are going to use Gemini, use Google AI Studio. So let me see, we are going to try it. This is it. You see, this is it. This is what it looks like. You can use it to generate a lot of things. This is the chart, you understand. This is the dashboard. If you want to use the API to plug in, you can use the API and plug it in into another thing. This is a native speech generation. You can use this also as a voice generation. For now, it is very good. and to some extent it can generate for you. So, and this is the generating media. This is where we are coming. So I'm going to click on the media, and let's see. Imaging is for video. Gemini text speech is there. Lyria real time create for music performance. I've not tested it. I've tested this and I've tested this. The view is not free, but this view is 2. This is view 2, not view 3. View 3 is expensive. I hope you see it. This is view 2. View 3 is very difficult and expensive. Video generation on View Studio has limited free quota for testing. To generate video beyond the free limit or to integrate view into your project, please use the Gemini API so that they can charge money. But for now they say it's free, so let us use it to generate one of the video that is available there, because it gave us a quota and it's not that much. See, classroom close up according to blah 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 that he said. So let us run it here. Let's run the prompt. I'm going to run it. Alright, this is the video you are seeing on your screen of what it told us. Said classroom close up to a boy hand sketching with a pen. The tips snapping drastically in slow motion. Warm afternoon light, cinematic realism, shallow. So if you look at it, so I don't know, maybe it can play for now. So I think it can play, and the boy is sketching. I hope you see that the boy is sketching with it. So exactly what we prompted. So the video, I have corrected the error. I don't know that I paused the video. Just click on this. When you click on this and you ask it to run the generation on 69 is the best. You click on it, you are going to get the best of the video for it. You are going to get the best for. I hope you can see now. This is the best for it. So we have already gotten the image we want. You can download it and go. Then the next thing is for you to come back to the generation of image. Leave. I have sufficient of it already. Now we have successfully done this. Now I click on here on this Gemini. This is where the text to speech is. So I will come here. Let me just take part of it, and this is what I want all of you to do. You copy it, you come here now. When you get to this place, it's only one speaker that we have that is working, so there's no need of us using 2 speakers. I'm going to delete this one, so I will have all this one deleted. I will just add a speaker. I'll put the dialogue here, which is what we said. Then the speaker, let's go and check somebody that will do the speaking for us. Speaker 1, these are the speakers that we have. Let's test their voice.
Ready to build something awesome today?
Okay, let's test the second one.
Got a project in mind?
Let's check.
What do you want to explore?
Okay, I think Sharon is good.
Ready to make something amazing?
What sparks your interest?
Let's use Sharon.
What do you want to explore?
So we had Sharon as our speaker. You understand? As our first speaker. Then since it's a dialogue, let's add some script to it. Alright, I've added to the script. I'm going to remove all this because it might not be able to screen it by itself. So this is our script now, and we are going to ask this thing to run it. So we ask it to run the script, and it's already running it. It's using Gemini 2.5. Gemini 2.5. We have Gemini 2.5 Flash. We have Pro. So it's using Gemini 2.5. So please, when you are doing something like this, instead you can just select a single speaker, not like the one I selected. I'm trying to rush to get it done because I have other things I'm doing. So we are going to wait for.
From Malik, that memory used to be about his mother clapping for his first drawing, a stick figure with a crooked smile. He replaced it. A memory not of being seen,
All right.
but
I
of being
think
reduced.
this is not
It was
bad
in
at all, because after all, it is even a free a free sound. So once we are okay with it, we will come here and click on download. I hope you can see it. We download the we download the sound. So this is the way you can have your sound, your video, your photo using Google AI. So I'm going to put the link down there so that you can get it. I hope you understand now. So everyone has given me the assignment before. I know by now you will understand. That's why I do this video. You will understand how you can harmonize all these things together inside this Google Audio Studio. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for your time. God bless you.